A power outage struck the whole island of Providenciales this morning at about 8:30 a.m., causing homes and even businesses major setbacks in their day-to-day routines. But what was the reason for the sudden outage? In a release issued by PPC, it was stated that PPC Limited experienced island-wide unscheduled power interruption throughout its service territories, which was triggered by a fault on Feeder 3 switchgear at the plant substation. News 4 spoke to Vice President of Production and Engineering for PPC, Ernie Jackson, who gave a much more simple explanation on the cause.
Basically what happened this morning was at the main substation at the power plant, one of the switches flashed over, and that caused on the main bus bar, and that caused a fault in the plant, which the automatic protection equipment shut the equipment down in order to protect the equipment.
Backup generators were also experiencing failures, as said in their press release, which stated, "The fault caused all generator breakers to engage and trip and resulting in loss of power supply to the entire system." This power outage lasted for about 2 hours. Persons then flocked to the PPC main office in the downtown area to find out what was the issue. Jackson told News 4 that they went to all extremes to resolve the matter and benefited greatly from knowing what the actual cause was.
It's one of those things that if you can identify the problem quickly, it's faster than if you have to go and search for the problem. Different types of problems cause different lengths of outages. This particular one, we were able to isolate the problem and get the power back on through a different routing. Now we'll have to go back and repair the equipment that was damaged at a later date.
As you may know, sudden power outages can result in the loss of important household equipment and other machinery. But is PPC liable for those losses? Vice President of Customer Service, Alan Robinson, explains.
In cases like this, we are governed and regulated by our regulations. This is an act of uncontrollable problem here with the machinery. So in cases like this, the company is not liable to full refund, but we have been acting in good faith of customer relations in some incidents where it is proven that cause of the damage, we would minor repairs to television or laptops.
News 4 understands that this is the first time in quite some time that PPC experienced equipment failure, causing the whole island to lose electricity.
I think everything has been resolved, and we're reviewing the problem to avoid any reoccurrence.
For WIV4 News, I'm Amanda Miller.